This is the smallest mini light bar we've ever made at Feniex Industries. But here's the important part. You're not losing any performance. You're still getting that signature Feniex brightness, 360-degree coverage, and attention-grabbing flash patterns. In this episode of Feniex University, we're introducing you to the all-new 12-inch mini light bar. Now, if you're familiar with our older 14-inch mini light bar, think of this as its evolution. We've taken everything you liked about the 14-inch and designed it into the 12-inch to be smaller and more compact, making it the perfect choice for medium to small size vehicles. But what types of scenarios would you need a mini 12-inch for? This compact light is the perfect choice for police motorcycles, security vehicles, public works, covert applications, and more. The mini 12-inch is available in both our Fusion and our Quantum lines. The Fusion Mini has single color module options in red, blue, amber, white, and green, and they all have a 40-degree optic for long-range visibility. This one specifically has red and blue module options. Like the 18-inch and the 27-inch Fusion bars, the 12-inch Mini has two programmable modes. Using the cigarette plug adapter, you can change patterns, access dim modes, and change modes, all within the flick of a switch. The Quantum Mini has a 60-degree light spread and was built for more advanced applications. They can be customized from dual color all the way to quint color. That's 5 colors: red, blue, amber, white, and green, all in one module. It has 4 modes, and you can access each mode with the 2 cigarette plug switches. If you need more modes, we have our Quantum Converter, giving you another 28 modes. The Quantum version will sync with all other Quantum and Q-Series lights using our new sync controllers. Additionally, each Quantum light bar is computer programmable and comes with our Quantum software, making your product easy to program. You simply plug in the USB extension into your computer and customize your lights exactly how you want them. So, with 5 colors, over 20 flash patterns, and custom computer programming, the Quantum Mini gives you robust versatility in a small device. Now, as far as mounting goes, you're in luck. Both minis come with 4 high-strength magnet mounts designed to hold onto your vehicle, so installation is a breeze. However, if you plan on going faster than 30 miles per hour, we recommend using the permanent mounting option. It's the safest way to secure your bar to the vehicle. So, if you're looking for a simple setup and you don't need a lot of color options, the Fusion is a great choice. But if you need that extra versatility and customization, the Quantum does it all. The 12-inch Mini is the perfect bar for maximum brightness for vehicles with limited space. Thanks for watching this episode of Feniex University. Subscribe to our YouTube page here and watch another episode here. See ya.